So my name is Matt Truant. I'm a real estate developer, born and raised in Rochester, New York. I've been doing this for 13 years, mostly in multifamily and commercial in the city of Rochester. And I found that there's a lot of investors out there, people that want to get involved with real estate investing, that are become victim of get-rich-quick schemes and info products and that type of thing. So I decided to start investing my time into a thought leadership platform to act as a go-to guy for local investors and to start to create a culture around real estate investment and development in Rochester, to also inspire people that are interested in social impact, positive social impact within their community, that, listen, you can engage in a for-profit enterprise that has an immense amount of social impact on our streetscape and our homes. So if I can partner with other real estate investors to create that culture locally here, that's what I want to do this for.